With US Cleaning Service, booking your cleaning appointment is only 60 seconds away. Booking your next appointment is as simple as visiting uscleaningservice.com, telling us about your home and everything that you'd like done, choosing a date, and pressing the Book Now button. Once our team arrives, sit back, relax, and enjoy great service from highly skilled professional cleaners. At US Cleaning Service, our mission is to provide you with a great, consistent clean every time you book us. From recurring discounts for regular service to flat, simple pricing with no surprises. Our goal is 100% satisfaction for each of our customers. That's why with every clean, our licensed and insured professionals arrive on time, use quality products, give you a great cleaning experience with a standardized process, cleans efficiently, quickly, and safely. We're always a message away if you need us. We guarantee that you will be 100% happy with each of your cleans from US Cleaning Service. If for some reason you're not, we'll re-clean the item or area to address any issues you have. Our goal is to provide you with great service from licensed and insured cleaning professionals. And we take pride in every job we do. Ready to enjoy a great clean? Click the button below to book your next appointment instantly. We look forward to meeting you.